In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a row to a table. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place a new row precisely where you need it using the right-click context menu. This method is quick, reliable, and works consistently across most table tools and document editors and spreadsheets. First, make sure your table is already on the page and that you can see the cell grid. Click once inside the table to select the specific cell that's closest to where you want the new row to appear. This matters because the position of the new row is determined by the cell you choose. If you're aiming to add a row between two existing rows, place your cursor in a cell within the row that's immediately above or immediately below where the new row should go. Next, open the context menu by right-clicking on that cell. If your mouse or trackpad doesn't have a dedicated right-click, use your device's secondary click gesture, like a two-finger click on many trackpads. You should see a menu appear with options related to editing text and working with the table. In that menu, look for the Table option, select it, and then choose either Insert Row Above or Insert Row Below. Insert Row Above places the new row directly above the row containing your selected cell. Insert Row Below places it directly beneath that row. Think of it like bookmarking a spot with your cursor and then dropping the new row on top of or under that bookmark. This action affects the entire width of the table, so every column gets a new cell in that row. Once the new row appears, it typically adopts the formatting of the surrounding rows, including font, alignment, borders, and any alternating shading patterns. If your table has a header row at the very top, adding a row above a data row will not change the header. It simply shifts the content down, keeping the header intact and styled as before. If you picked the wrong direction, don't worry. Just undo and try again from the same cell. To add multiple rows, repeat the same context menu action as many times as needed. For consistency, use the same reference cell when inserting consecutive rows so everything lands exactly where you expect. That's all there is to it. Click inside the target row, right-click to open the context menu, go to Table, and choose Insert Row Above or Insert Row Below. With this simple technique, you can expand your table cleanly without disrupting your layout or formatting.